Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring freezing on PC. To fix the issue, make sure Elden Ring is patched to the latest version. Then update your GPU drivers like NVIDIA or AMD to the newest release. On Steam, go to the library and select the Elden Ring. Then select Properties and choose Local Files. After that, select Verify integrity of the game files to fix corrupted files. Next, reduce settings like shadows, textures, evacs, and turn off VSync or motion blur to reduce stress on the GPU. You can close unnecessary apps such as Discord overlay, browsers, and recording software that may consume CPU or RAM. Following that, disable full screen optimizations. Right-click the game exe and select Properties. Here, choose Compatibility and disable full screen optimizations. You can set the game to full screen mode for better performance. Lastly, check system health by reaching the monitor's CPU or GPU temps to ensure no overheating. You can increase the virtual memory or page file if RAM is low. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.